What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, and the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's 80% recurring income with its affiliate system, which is the highest on herd, period. And it's recurring, so you get paid every single month, 80%, which is fantastic. So every sale you get 80% of the income of it, which is fantastic, great. All right guys, so anyway guys, interested, following on, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure. All right guys, we definitely did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal at all. So the first thing we want to do for you, if you want to do this right, you need to get your affiliate link. The first thing I want to show you guys is the affiliate link that I use. I use this affiliate link with my promotion here because I just like that it promotes 3 products. All right, and 2 of those products are recurring, so that's really good. Every product in this system is 80%, no matter what it is. All right guys, so you get 80%. If you got a product that's $1, you'll get 80 cents. Like everything is 80% in. All right, so now that we know the link we're gonna use, I'm gonna let you guys get y'all links real quick. First, you want to go down to the description. You're gonna see something called Incomepeats.com. It's gonna take you to a page look something like this, and basically what this page is, the sales letter for the $25 business. Essentially it's a funnel builder with no real limitations on it for $25 per month. Now if you know that what a funnel builder is, you know that's a really good deal. All right, they also give to charity if you're interested in that, and basically this page just explains how much money you can make with this system. All right guys, with this affiliate system. So once you decide you want to try this out, you click on yes I want in or green button anywhere else. You just put in basic information for your billing here. You get down to the bottom here, and that's one more thing I want to explain here. I want to explain what this is here. When you use my link, you get access to this product for 14 days, and this is HBA Premium. Now what HBA Premium is traffic. It's teaching you how to get traffic to your offer, ads, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, right? And the thing is, it's constantly updated because rules change on certain platforms all the time, and you have to adjust based on that. And they try to give you the best strategies to just do that based on what's going on, right? And yeah, you can get that free for 14 days. And the cool thing about this is that if you get a sale with this product, you will keep that $100 that you get from this product. All right guys, so make sure to do that, check that out, see how that works for you, and complete the order. Boom boom, get instant access. That's cool, right? So yeah, that's all it is to that. Now the second thing we need is to promote the product. Once you got your link, all right, once you got your link, you need to promote the product. That's when you go to the second link in the description. There it should be the My Lead Gen Secrets here guys. Take you to a page look something like this. Now what My Lead Gen Secrets is essentially is you get 100 leads per day that are interested in making money online that you can email once per day. Now the way to get sales with this is that you have to constantly email people. You need to constantly do it. Now if you constantly do it, you'll make some money. Consistency is the main key here guys. This always is the main key. All right, so first and foremost, you want to go, once you log in, make your account, whatever it is, go to the mailing system, and you just select all your leads here. Now you're only going to have 100 leads, but don't worry about that. I'm using my worst account. I have 10 accounts in this system. This is my worst account. The reason I'm using my worst account is more of a case of ensuring that you guys can make money with this method. If my worst account can make money with this method, you guys can make money with this method. All right, because what are the chances that you get a worse account out of 10 than this, you know? It's I'm not saying it's impossible, but the chances are so low. You understand what I mean? But all my other accounts do better than this account all the time, and it don't matter. This number, honestly, the number of leads you got don't matter at all. To be honest with you, it just depends on what account you got. Like my best account can make $5,000 a month. It's done it before. All right, that's my best account to do it by itself. At my worst account, this is my worst account. All right, so anyway, once you get in the system, you want to load in. You can load in one of your emails if you want to, or you can. We can use all of these emails is what ChatGPT has written for us. I'm thinking about getting it to write us one more, but maybe it's just too high now, like the numbers. I'm thinking this is going too far. So what we're gonna do instead, we're going to go back to the first email of this situation here. Making money my first week. Now this particular email is one I written myself. Now this is the email that I use in ChatGPT to write emails. All right, so making money my first week. Let me show you the email real quick. Blah blah blah, like that right there. Just pause the video to copy it. Now one reason why I want to show you the email is because I want to go to ChatGPT real quick and show you guys how I asked ChatGPT to make me emails. You see here, say write me an email similar to this, and I just copied my email and put it in there like that, and then it started writing me emails like the exact way I wanted it to do it. 5 days. As you can see, it kind of slowly took off here. I didn't like that email, but you know what I'm saying? This is the type of emails I started liking. I made this money in 5 days. You can too. And I kind of $450 in a week. Your net. You see what I'm saying? I started making emails like that, and as I kept asking it, it kept adding more. You know, kept adding more at a consistent level, and that's where it worked for me, guys. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. That's what worked for me, and now I got plenty. I got so many emails from. So look, let's count them real quick. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Got 18 emails, guys. Fantastic. That's a ton of emails, and you don't really need more than that. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Once you get like a ton of emails in the system, all you gotta do is click an email, send it, boom, you're done. Hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time people get the email, and you want to preview and make sure your link works. I always want to make sure your link works. All right, my link does work, and then you send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. As you can see, very simple method. It works every time. It's been working for me for over a year. I've been getting some extra money with this account when it was honestly kind of dead, and it's been getting money for me. And I'm able to make these videos to show you exactly how to do this. And this is the absolute easiest way to make money online that I have ever found. That's all you really need to do is just pop in here. Once you got all your emails in the system, pop in here, pick an email, send it, done. That's 30 seconds a day. You can do that and make some money. All right, guys? Excuse me. If I can do it on this account, you can do it on whatever account you get. So your account, the account that you get is most likely going to be way better than this account. So, yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. That's real simple like that. And one more thing I want to explain to you guys about making money online. And the number one way to make money online is to be consistent in whatever you're doing. That's the first thing. That's the first step. Don't worry about how good your message is. Don't worry about how clean your videos are or anything like that. Just keep posting. As long as you keep posting. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. That's how you make money online, guys. Just keep posting. Now once you stop posting, that's when you start losing money. That's what happened to me. I stopped posting with this and I start making less and less money. Like, let me show you guys something. Let me show you November of last year of this. I kind of stopped using it, promoting this product, but let me show you November of this, when I was making videos around November last year. If it pops up real quick, we can pick it. November 1st, November the 30th. Show y'all November. Show you how much money I made in that month. This product here. It wasn't that much, but see how much it was going up. See that? 680. I stopped promoting it. Let's pick like January. Pick like January. I stopped promoting it. Ain't mean to do that. It loading up November to January. I'm sorry about that. Hold up. Give me a second here. I want to show you January by itself. See how it started going down? See that? Because I stopped promoting it. I stopped promoting it. That's what happened. So you gotta stay consistent, guys. Stay consistent, and that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.